How to size and remove your bracelet. In order to get started, you're going to need a specific set of watch tools. This must include a hammer, a base that has a grid-like pattern on it, as well as some sort of pin tool. The first thing you want to do is flip over the bracelet to find the small little arrow indicators. These are the links that will be used to adjust the bracelet to your wrist size. Place the side of the bracelet with the arrow pointing down onto the base that holds the bracelet. Once you've identified how many links you need to remove, go ahead and insert the pin and hammer it out. Once you've removed the pins and removed the appropriate amount of links, you're ready to put the bracelet back together. Before you put the bracelet back together, be sure to pick up one of the pins and identify the end that has a split end, whereas the other side does not. The pin is going to need to be positioned back in the way it was removed. Place the non-split end into the opposite direction of the arrow that's indicated on each link. Take a look at the link and make sure the split end is sticking out of the side of the link. Carefully use the plastic side of the hammer and gently hammer back the pin into the link. Repeat these steps for each link that's removed off the bracelet. How to remove your bracelet utilizing the quick release pins. Flip over the watch and identify the triggers on the end link of the bracelet. There are two pieces side by side that you'll need to press together in order to compress the pin and remove the bracelet. Take the strap and position one end of the pin into the pinhole inside the lug. Depress the trigger so one end of the pin comes down. Position it and wiggle it around to where it snaps into place. You'll notice the trigger pop back out. You're now ready to wear your watch on a leather strap.